Hello, welcome to PDR video. Today we are testing patch cord with portable Wi-Fi and phase microscope. This is the microscope. This is the fiber to be tested. So what I will do is, I will keep the fiber here. This is the mobile application where you can see a 40 gig network is now turned to 10 gig because of the micro dust which is present. When I run this is the IC standard which we have set. It says fail. So what I'll do is I'll take a cleaner pen now. And now I will place the fiber. So as you can see, it's been cleaned. I will adjust it. And now it says pass. So this is how you get back your network. So this patch cord is working. So this is the use.